All three major American stock markets have closed down.
Trade risks continue to rattle investors.
It went off a cliff. And in fact, we were actually down over 900 points when it comes to the Dow at one point today.
We think the AI revolution is what we see already losing share to some extent. It is still growing, but losing share is software as a service. And, I think we're all paying very close attention to the revenue growth dynamics of these companies. A Salesforce.com, revenue growth isn't picking up. In fact, it continues to decelerate. I think it's next quarter will be, 7% down from 9%. That's not what's supposed to happen here. And so I think that might be what you're referring to. Wait a minute, where are the top line dynamics? Where are they coming from? The largest AI project on Earth is robotaxis, autonomous driving networks. We think that's going to drive $8 to $10 trillion in revenue globally in the next 5 to 10 years, up from zero.
I think this is such an important, critical moment where a lot of people are losing a lot of money, money they've worked for many, many years, and they're also missing out on perhaps huge opportunities.
I think the setup for a 10 best day is near, because if the economy's near stall speed, I think people realize the Trump put does come back, because otherwise it has to unwind all this austerity. And if the job market's soft, the Fed put comes back into play, because the Fed doesn't want to play with stall speed. And I think that's what is going to be the positive catalyst in the next couple of weeks. And on top of that, we already know stocks will bottom before bad news peaks. And so if we're seeing the market not fade on bad news, that means we're already priced in a lot of things that would scare.
Millionaires are made during stock market downturns, and the bigger the decline, the bigger the opportunity.
The stock market sold off big again on Monday, with the S&P 500 index down an additional 2.64%, and I am looking to buy. All of this market selling can create opportunities for the long-term investor.
Meta Platforms boasts billions of monthly active users across its apps, including Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Threads. Investors are interested in Meta Platforms stock because of how it's incorporating AI into its business, but also because of the valuation.
Meta stock is one that we got to watch out for. It fell all the way down from 740 all the way into the 500s.
Consumer side, Amazon is currently trading at a price to earnings ratio of 37, which is the lowest PE ratio it's seen in 2 years. And according to discounted cash flow models like Simply Wall Street's, Amazon is currently 42% undervalued compared to consensus analyst estimates. Said another way, Amazon stock would have to go up by 72% to hit its fair value today. 72% upside. Like I said, millionaires are made during stock market downturns, and now you can see why.